There is a particular cryptocurrency that I strongly believe that will make a lot of millionaires. Yes, let me say it again. There's a particular cryptocurrency that I strongly believe that will make a lot of millionaires. Now, as you're watching this video, I'm going to tell you the name of this cryptocurrency and where to buy it and why I strongly believe that this particular cryptocurrency will make a lot of millionaires in this bull market. Now, what I want you to do for me is to click the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification. Now, if you do that, YouTube algorithm will send this video to a lot of people to watch it and get the same information that you're getting right now free of charge. And that is all. Now, let me tell you why I strongly believe in this particular cryptocurrency. Now, I saw this cryptocurrency in 2021. I've been doing a lot of deep research about it, and a lot of things I've seen about this cryptocurrency is all clicking. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about a cryptocurrency called Arbidoge. Now, if you check this YouTube channel, I've talked about this cryptocurrency for more than 4 times in this YouTube channel, saying the same thing about this particular cryptocurrency. And I can tell you, anybody that purchased this cryptocurrency the time I told them to do so is already in profit. Now, why am I saying this? Now, I started covering this cryptocurrency when the market cap was at $165,000. Now, this recent bull market that we're in 2024, the market cap of this cryptocurrency rose to $5 million market cap. Guys, this is insane. At a point, it went to $10 million market cap. You can imagine the exits it has done. This is insane. And guess what? Nothing has happened. Because why? The $10 million market cap this particular cryptocurrency got to was only on one exchange. It was trading on one exchange. The cryptocurrency has already been deployed on Uniswap exchange. And you know what Uniswap means, guys? Uniswap is one of the top decentralized exchange in the cryptocurrency community. And I can tell you, you can imagine when the money on Uniswap ecosystem start flowing into this particular crypto. Guys, it's going to be insane. Now, the market cap of this cryptocurrency right now is, I think, around $3 million because of the recent price crash that we are seeing in the whole crypto market space. But that is giving you and I an opportunity to buy again. So what I tell myself, I'm going to buy more of this crypto because why? I strongly believe that this particular cryptocurrency is going to make millionaires. Now, I'm going to go straight into my PC and show you reasons why I strongly believe that this particular cryptocurrency will make a lot of millionaires. Now, let's go into my PC. Let me show you that. Now, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. See you. Welcome back to the video. This is the coin I'm talking about, which is Arbidoge. We can call it in short form, which is Doge. I started talking about this particular cryptocurrency way back in 2021. If you check this YouTube channel, you can see I'm very consistent talking about this, telling people why I strongly believe that this is going to make millionaires. I started talking about it when the market cap was at $165,000 market cap. It has already done 30x already from the market cap. I started talking about it even some time ago. I tweeted it even on Twitter about this particular cryptocurrency. As you can see right now, the price of it is very low, currently down 6% as of today, but it doesn't matter. But one of the things you need to ask yourself, what is this cryptocurrency and what is it all about? Now, this is a meme coin. Now, I believe we all know how people make so much money from investing in meme tokens. For example, people that bought Pepe, people that bought Bonk, people that bought WEM token, all of these tokens that is exploding right now. And I can tell you there's a lot of noise, a lot of buzz around it, and people make so much money from buying these meme coins when people have not heard about it. Now, right now, if you look at Liquidity is currently on Solana network, whereby that a lot of meme coins are being created on Solana network and they are exploding every single day. We have a meme coin currently right now called the Book of Meme. A lot of people are talking about it everywhere on Twitter. It's been listed on so many exchanges. And guess what, guys? Those things are amazing. But guess what? There's a particular network that has not, blown up, which is what? The Arbitrum network. Now, what is Arbitrum? Arbitrum is one of the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. If you understand what Arbitrum is doing in Ethereum network, you understand how important Arbitrum network is. Now, Arbitrum network is helping Ethereum network to, reduce the workload, whereby that people can still do the same thing that they do on the normal Ethereum layer 1 blockchain. They can do the same thing on Arbitrum layer 2 blockchain, which is helping Ethereum to reduce the workload, and which is a lot of, amazing thing that Arbitrum is going to be doing. And guess what? The first time Arbitrum network was created, Arbidoge is the first coin created on the platform. The first coin, is the first meme coin, but the first coin created on the platform. Now the question is, who created this cryptocurrency? The answer is I don't know. I don't know who created it. I don't even want to know who created it. But it's an opportunity for me to take advantage of, because what? The sentiment alone can make it go viral. Now, in as much as a lot of cryptocurrency have gone viral before that, but I can tell you there is something unique about about a particular cryptocurrency that is the first. Is a unique thing. Look at Dogecoin right now. The way Dogecoin is actually the first meme coin we have in the crypto space. There is something unique about it. And that is why Dogecoin, no matter what happened to meme coin in the future, Dogecoin will still be there. Looking at people who invested in it and people who are backing it up. So these are some of the fundamentals and some of the things you need to look out for and get excited about a particular cryptocurrency. You can imagine Arbitrum Network, one of the best Ethereum scaling solution, that people are talking about every single day, that this particular cryptocurrency was the first token built on the platform. It's really something that you need to be interested in, because that sentiment alone can make it go viral. Now, as you can see how many people that added it to their portfolio, around 1,387 people. When I started looking at this cryptocurrency, they were just less than 200. But I can tell you, every single day it is growing. The market cap right now is $3.3 million. Now, about a week ago, the market cap was at 10.5 million. I think around 12 point something $million market cap. When we had the few market pump before the market start crashing, as you can see right now. Now you can see all of the cryptocurrency is already in circulation, and there is a fair launch about this cryptocurrency. There's a lot about it that I'm so excited about. You can check the contract address here. You can check the website. There's no information on the website, just meme token. But guys, meme coin can make you a lot of money if you buy early. For me, the risk in buying this particular meme token is way lesser than buying other ones. There is no much risk in it. It makes sense for me to invest in this particular cryptocurrency. You can actually check a lot of things. You can check their Twitter, check their Telegram, or check their Discord. Like I told you, it was created on Arbitrum network. So it's part of Arbitrum ecosystem coin. And I will still show you why I strongly believe that in this bull market, that there will be a time Arbitrum network will start making a lot of waves. And I can tell you, when it starts making those waves, it's going to be massive, guys. As you can see, it has done 6,200%. And the coin has been available for 2 years. So it's not something that just started yesterday. It has been available for 2 years. I saw it in 2021. You can see the all-time high was on 2024, which is on the 8th of March 2024. That was the all-time high. Guys, there's something happening here. You need to take position before it blows up. Now, as you can see, market, this is where you can buy it. A lot of people have been asking me, where will I buy this? I'm tired of answering this question, because you need to know how to buy cryptocurrency. If you are a cryptocurrency investor, it is something very basic that you can do for yourself. Now, this is where to buy it on SushiSwap using the Arbitrum One network. If you don't know how to do that, check my videos in this YouTube channel. I made a video how to trade on on MetaMask. How to trade on MetaMask. Watch the video. Look at how I exchange different networks. This is how to do it. Very simple. Now, when the market cap of this particular crypto was $12 million as of last week, it is only trading on SushiSwap. Guys, SushiSwap is the only place it was trading. About a day ago, Uniswap has already been added. Guys, a lot of people trade on Uniswap, and there's a lot of volume on Uniswap in a trading platform. You can imagine when all those money that is on Uniswap start flowing into this particular crypto. I can tell you the price of this crypto will be insane. And that is why I'm excited about this particular cryptocurrency called Arbidoge. Arbidoge, I'm very bullish on it. Very, very bullish on it. I'm going to be buying more. I have a lot of it, but I'm going to be buying more, guys, because I'm really, really very bullish about this particular crypto. I strongly believe that this particular crypto will make a lot of millionaires. Now, let me tell you why Arbitrum Network will still be one of the hottest narrative in this bull market. Let me take you to a website called L2Bit. You can check it out for yourself, which is l2bit.com. Now, when you come to l2bit.com, this is where you see all the Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. all of them. You will see so many of them. Now you can see value locked. Now this is the amount of money locked on Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, and the value of the money locked on this protocol is around $35.2 billion. Now out of this $35.2 billion, now about 50% of that money is already on Arbitrum. And let me show you. Now, as you can see, Arbitrum 1, as you can see, Arbitrum 1 has the highest, which is $16 billion, followed by Optimism Network, followed by Blast. I don't know, this Blast just came recently. Maybe I'll do research about this Blast. But the one I'm talking about is this Arbitrum 1. You can see Arbitrum 1 is $16 billion. What does that mean? There's a lot of liquidity in this blockchain. And when people start getting interested and start flowing to it, guess what, guys? The meme coins and the other cryptocurrency on this ecosystem of Arbitrum will definitely explode. And that is the idea of cryptocurrency. Now, looking at what we are seeing in Solana Network, whereby that all the meme coin in Solana Network are exploding. Now, those things happen like that in the crypto space. In 2017, there was a time of Ethereum network, from Ethereum network to Binance network. Now, currently, we are now seeing, Solana network, blowing up. It can also happen to Arbitrum, and that is why I am positioning myself for the massive pump that is going to happen on Arbidoge, and that is why I'm making this video for you to take advantage of it and buy. Even if it's as little as $50, you can buy some, or $20, because why? The price is still cheap. If you check the meme coins like Pepe and Bonk, all of them have reached $3 billion market cap. And this particular cryptocurrency right now is just what? 3 million. Now, if it gets to $3 billion like the rest, that's about 300x. Guys, that is insane. You need to take advantage of this opportunity and make money for yourself. Now, let me go to the chart and for you to see what is happening on this particular cryptocurrency technically. Now, this is Arbidoge on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we've had some series of pumps and dumps, whereby the market pumped and went down. You can see we had a new all-time high that happened on the 8th of March this year. Guys, I can tell you, it's going to be insane. I can maybe this is going to be the last time I'm going to make this video. Maybe the next time I'm going to make a video about Arbidoge is when we are maybe trading at 100 million. I'll be reminding you guys that I talked about it when it was 3 million. So guys, as you can see, if you look at the chart, the coin is currently on the floor. You can see the pump. You can see the way we are massively dropping to the downside. In my opinion, I'm not trading this. I'll just buy and wait. That is one thing I've been doing in cryptocurrency. The strategy has been working for me, whereby that I look at cryptocurrency, I'm excited about what I'm seeing, I'm very optimistic. All I need to do is just to buy and wait. And that is how to make money as a cryptocurrency investor, by buying and waiting. So guys, I'm really pumped up. I'm excited. I'm sharing this with you because why? Now this particular crypto has already been added to Uniswap. The pumpermental is going to be very crazy, and you need to take advantage of it. You need to take advantage of it. Just risk what you can afford. Sometimes we'll be like, this is not financial advice, but if I want to whisper anything in your ear right now, and I would like to say something like this is financial advice, bro, but I'm not the one that told you. All right. So, guys, I'm excited about this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. See you in another video.